This is a brief speech about uh, chakras and trees of life, or meditation and finding the trees. So, this and base. What is base relief? Base relief. This is two winged deities with a sacred tree, two bearded figures, horn kneeling either side of the stylish tree towards the. They stretch out protective hands, probably represent um Anukian Sumerian gods, the god of earth, and perhaps his twin guardian figures. And sacred trees or trees of life were particularly associated with the worship of the Anukian ancestry. But the tree of life is mentioned in the scriptures, the Bible, and the Torah. So the base relief of Nimrud or Nimrod, you know him as, and after the flood, and it represents a tree. And what it represents is one, two, three being the solar plexus and the stopping point or the stomach. Four, five, six, seven chakras. And also in the female form, the same thing. One, two, three, where they stop at the stomach. Four, five, six, seven to represent branches of a chakra uh, tree. See, they're pointing at the stomach, representing that it's part of the rising of conscience to a higher plane of existence. And they both talk about base relief. This one, the two winged female deities of the sacred tree holding a ring in one hand extended towards the sacred tree. These two figures probably represent Nenlil or Betis. These are other beings associated with Anukian or Sumerian or Babylonian ancestry. If you don't know that part of the Torah is focused in Babylon, the sun known as Shemesh is a Babylonian word, which means sun or solar, and was a fertility goddess. In the case, the stylish growing tree may represent her base relief from the northwest palace of Nimrod or Nimrod, and you know them at you know the story of Nimrod at Babylon, or at the beginning of Babel, after the story of Noah and the flood. So why is this important?